Transportation has come a long way over the years, from horse-drawn carriages to electric cars. But the future of transportation promises to be even more exciting and transformative. Self-driving cars are already on our roads, and they're just the beginning of the transportation revolution. These cars use a combination of sensors, cameras, and machine learning algorithms to navigate roads safely and efficiently. With no need for a human driver, self-driving cars could reduce traffic congestion and accidents, as well as provide mobility to those who are unable to drive. Drones are being developed to deliver packages, and even people in the near future. These unmanned aerial vehicles can navigate through the air and deliver goods with speed and precision. Amazon and Google are already testing drone delivery systems, and it's only a matter of time before they become commonplace in our skies. Hyperloops promise to transport passengers at speeds of up to 700 miles per hour, drastically reducing travel times between cities. These vacuum-sealed tubes use magnets to propel pods at high speeds, providing a faster and more efficient alternative to traditional modes of transportation. Companies like Virgin Hyperloop and SpaceX are already working on developing Hyperloop systems that could revolutionize the way we travel. Flying taxis are being developed that can take off and land vertically, providing a faster and more efficient way to travel short distances. These electric vehicles, also known as vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft, can bypass traffic and reach destinations that are difficult to access by car. Companies like Uber and Boeing are investing in flying taxi technology, and they could become a reality in the near future.